Well, good morning, y'all, and salute. And I hope y'all are having a good morning this morning. I want to read just a little bit to y'all, and I want to show you how faith and belief in serving God could be a wonderful thing for you. Not just for your very soul, but for your day-to-day walk with Him, okay? Now, I'm going to be reading out of Acts 28, and it's just a short read, y'all, okay? And when they were escaped, then they knew that the island was called Melita, M-E-L-I-T-A, and the barbarous people shewed us no little kindness, for they kindled a fire and received us every one because of the present rain and because of the cold. And when Paul had gathered a bundle of sticks and laid them on the fire, there came a viper, which is, a really bad snake, out of the heat and fastened onto his hand. And when the barbarians saw the venomous beast hang on his hand, they said among themselves, No doubt this is a murderer, whom he hath escaped the sea, yet vengeance suffered not to live. And he shook off the beast into the fire and felt no harm. Howbeit they looked when he should have swollen or fallen down dead suddenly. But after they had looked a great while and saw no harm come to him, they changed their minds and said that he was a god. In the same quarters were possessions of the chief man of the island, whose name was Publius, who received us and lodged us 3 days courteously. And it came to pass that the father of Publius lay sick of fever and of bloody flux, to whom Paul entered in and prayed and laid his hands on him and healed him. Okay, so y'all, I just wanted to read that to you because I figured that needed to see how faith and closeness to God is not only good for the spirit, but it's also good for the body. Alright? And because of Paul's walk with God, that snake didn't even hurt him. Alright? So think about that. God can heal you. God can protect you. Alright? He's done it many times for me as well. Alright? In my lifetime. Protected me and kept me safe. And even if I was in a dangerous area, nothing happened. Absolutely nothing. We walked through peacefully, or we were there peacefully and got out peacefully. So I just want to give that to you real quick. And today's just going to be a short little video. Love y'all. Do it God's way, not your way. And don't let the vipers bite you and take you down. All right. Love you.